65 Revisited. Released 2007, directed by D. Penny Baker. Ed Sullivan, Rock and Roll Revolution. Released 1995. All You Need Is Love, the story of popular music. Directed by Tony Palmer. Rolling Thunder Revue, a Bob Dylan story by Martin Scorsese. Released 2019, directed by Martin Scorsese. Renaldo and Clara. Released 1978, directed by Bob Dylan. The Concert for Bangladesh. Released 1971, directed by Soul Swimmer.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care, bye.